All right, how's it going? Let's do a quick little video here. If you drive an older vehicle, Jeep or an old Toyota that's got the old 5x7 halogens, you'll know that nighttime is not your friend. You cannot see a thing. So I'm just going to do a quick little review here on a LED set I found on eBay. They installed quite nicely, so we'll go over that. Just give you my opinion. All right, I'm gonna open the box here first. As you can see, I already opened the box, but they're just cheap. I went on eBay, searched up LED lights. I found these ones. They're aluminum housing in the back, plastic in the front. They were $30 US each, so came out pretty good. You can see I got one in already. They look there. I think so the low beam, you just run these guys here plus that one. The high beam runs them all. And then on these vehicles, the daytime running light was your headlight, but it's that lower voltage, so that's what it does. It lights the whole thing up, but it doesn't go as like full power as the high beam would. So I'll show you that after I'll turn everything on, but we'll go over the install, tell you a little bit more about it. It's got two screws. Two top screws. Pulls off that little majigger. And that gives you access to 1, 2, 3, 4 slightly seized stars. So we'll just pop these guys out here for you. After you remove all 4 screws, this bezel will come out. You just pop out the old headlight. Quick little unplug in the back.
Okay, it's been in there a while.
It has been in.
You explained that you can change the...
Yep. All right. And she just plugs in. Just like that. We put a little bit of lube in there because it's been a while. That's what we were going for. I just didn't really feel like running another wire for the accent DRLs that some of the other lights had. This one was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And there you have it. Final look. Perfect. So here's how both look, side by side. Looking out, you can't even really, you can see the old orange a little bit, the halogen style bulb, but the LED does go a lot farther left, right, and projects out a lot further. So I didn't want to go crazy bright lights just because they're a little bright in the road, so I didn't want to go insane. Just didn't want to get bothered. But I mean, these aren't any brighter than one of those the Jules headlights they come with on the Acuras. Those things are crazy bright, so I figured I'd be okay. So I'll show you the difference between the high beams now. That's where the big difference is, the high beams. So we'll do a look-see with that. As you can see, the high beam now is projecting, fully light up the whole trailer. Way out to the right, way out to the left over there. The tree line in the back. I'm really hoping the camera picks it up. Not too sure. I'm filming with a GoPro, but like, I can see the tree line 200 feet back, perfect. And I could, like, there's a giant shadow from that trailer. So when the high beams are on, it lights up the entire set of 18. So we'll go back here. I mean, oncoming, it's bright. Like, you don't want to stare at it because it'll hurt your eyes. So, I mean, if you flash somebody with the high beams now, they're going to notice you're flashing the high beams. As to the old factory halogen, I can stare right at it and it doesn't even bother my eyes. So, yeah, overall, you're pretty impressed. I mean, the next thing I got to find out is durability. Let's see how well they hold up. I mean, they're 30 bucks a piece US. So by the time I shipped them here, I'm about $100, so you can't go wrong with that compared to some of the other lights out there. It was a really good option. So, I mean, they're IP, whatever it is, IP68 or whatever the waterproof rating is. So they're waterproof, sealed beam. You know, and I didn't have to do any wiring at all. The DRL works off the factory wiring, so perfect. Difference in high beams on it. Yeah, so the DRLs are dimmer when high beams are on. I don't think it was that bright.
Okay.
So here's daytime running lights. Now with them both wired up and in there, it's running them properly now. So you get the low beam at half wattage for your daytime running light, which is a perfect daytime running light. Low beams. High beams. There you go. So that shows you right there. You know, less than $100, you can get yourself some pretty good LED lights that really help you out. Compared to before, it was like maybe holding the candle lantern. Low beams. High beams.